What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Hi, it's me Keisha from Island-Wide Express. This video is sponsored by Island-Wide Express, where you can ship all your mails and documents up to 8 ounces for free, and where you can ship up to 4 times per year for free by becoming a platinum member. Click on the link in the description box below to sign up for your free shipping account.
Bless up on yourself, my viewers and subscribers, man. Big up on yourself, and you don't know the thing going here. You don't know what's a NEWLINK there, and from NEWLINK production. And just want to say happy Sabbath to each and everyone out there upon the Saturday right now. People, whoa, viewers and subscribers, a question on NEWLINK really want to ask. You know what I mean? Are we NEWLINK want to say right now, people? Because right now, it's too much now. It's too much. Too much people have been losing their life in Jamaica right now, people. Come here, deal with Jamaica, you know what I mean? By the hands of criminal with the pie. Too much. See, in our time right now, people, when me would have expect say, yo, crime is at down pan a low. You get me, I say? But now it's like for the rest of the year, the crime just come, so I just go up, so. Well, viewers and subscribers now, the topic when we really come with now, people, is based upon, you understand, an incident that took place in a place in Manchester, what them call him, Williamsfield, yesterday in the night hours, people. Because it is said that a man, you understand, a father and a son who operates a business there at Jerk Center in a Williamsfield, people, was shot. But sadly, people, and the sad part about it is that the son never make it. See? Because it said that sometime in the night hours, people, they are the business establishment. You know what I mean? It can't be late because you don't know curfew start 8 o'clock. So them they not look at early night hours. They not look at early or say evening hours, people, and them they maybe I try gather up things and I try finish up on something, people. When it is suspected that a man come there, people, for rob, and something escalate, people, and shots were fired. The two of them was shot, people. And people come, so boom, boom, rush them, carry them to hospital, people, where the son drop out, the son to make it. And it is said the son is the only child for this father. A lot of mourning over there right now, people. A lot of people are pouring their condolences, so they can't believe, because enough people are saying, yo, this man here, who dead people, the son, is a very good man. Is a man who always give great advice, give great encouragement, always tell us, yo, you have to do this. You know what I mean? Even students from a college where this man used to attend, people, I say, yo, the man was a good man, he was a great man. Gone, you know, them kill the man, gone, left him picnic them people, him wife, him families. Huh? Because of what? Because of what? And this is the rate how Jamaica is going right now, and it's crazy. You understand? Too much. And me think, and the time right now where government is really focusing on COVID, they still need to step it up now, focusing on criminals, target criminals, send them, you know what I mean, the police then dig down the place. You know what I mean? Because it's too much now, and people, the criminal them using this COVID mask thing now, people, to carry out most of them duties now. So it's easy for them coming at their mask that broad daylight and slap out a man. See? So when we are focused, we have a focus on COVID, yes. So when we are focused on how we get some technology, how we do testing more with focus, let we focus on same way to get some technology where we can use to detect these things more efficient, you understand? Where we can use to maybe trace some things through the mask and see faces through the mask, because you have technology right now, people. In America, when I tell you, they could have strap up a face with 100 masks, man, they can see it through it, you know. No joke thing, you know. See? But Jamaica, we say we have much money can spend on this and that. We need to spend more money on crime, people, and how to fix this thing. It can be fixed better. Yeah, crime can't stop. Number one, it can't. Because me can't come go in a man heart and say, yo, now go do that. Because if a man, as I tell you, if a man decides that he might go slap you out, people in a business, the consequences we have to come after it. If he might go dead when he can't do it, or if he might go get locked up, in we can slap you out. Zina, you may not know, you have been strap high there so you don't know. But all I'm saying, people, a lot of these things will happen. We can detect and catch these criminals when they do commit these acts. Or in the end, we can create methods, you understand, where we can catch them before they go commit the thing. But what? Lot of money now spend. Yeah, we spend money for buy a car. We spend money for, you know what I mean, getting more police now force. But what? When you get them and you buy the car, the police, they're trying their best sometimes, you know, people. But what? If them now get the tools them to work with and get the type of things that them need to work with, the things can't fix certain way. Eh? Worse in our time right now when I hear say, yo, informer for that are the biggest talk. You get what I'm saying? And you know, say, if thing comes to boom and going at this, so, you know what I mean? People afraid for talk. So what? Money need to spend. Not joke thing. Money need to spend more. It's sad, people. Too much people are lose them life. You know what I mean? Lot of people are lose them life unnecessarily. You know? Because imagine now, you come from the roots of the depths. Zine, you come to boom as a local youth now and kick off a local thing. You know what I mean? As a ghetto youth. Because enough ghetto youth, I see them and them shove down, you know, people. And push down and there, you know. Me congo and go yam them out, you know, people. And a joke thing, you know. Just because of them success, you know. Just because of them achievement, you know. Because enough youth comes to boom. From nothing to something, people. And decide say, you know what? I'm going to grind it. And I'm going to make it out of this, you know. And the man them start maybe so hustling on the street. Phone card, you know what I mean? Banana chips, banana chicks, cigarette. You get what I'm saying, people? And then comes a boom. Start it now till them set up a local stall. You get me and I kick it off. Same way, you know what I mean, people? Yeah. And I go on and save and show local, you know what I mean, credit union thing. Because you me are telling you, me stay in the street, people. Somebody know where the street go. Me stay in the street, I hustle. Me stay in the street, I sell cigarette. Me stay go stage show all over. Go sell me cigarette them. You get me and say go sell phone card, go sell that. Me used to do them thing, the people. Another joke thing. Me used to go around and sell orange and something. Me as a hustler. So me know so you can hustle and save your money. Zine, and you come to boom now, stop a stall and hustle. Then I stay to boom for the stand, let's see man, then comes to boom and start a local shop. Then see man, then comes to boom and rent a bar. Then I say that the man want to assume I say you're a thief. You're going to. Then I hear two toes. Boom, bad star, you know, say man then go rob my boy and slap him out though. For what? For the man decide say I'm going to work, achieving goal. But you decide say now you're going to. Boy have that then you know pre-order the man work for get him things, you know, but you just pre say no. You go bust out the boy there, then I come take away and got you know. You know what I mean? Because that's what in your intention, because you're a thief. You know what I mean? You don't want to work, but you bad mind and you red eye, you know, and you grudgeful and you envy. So you see the man gaining his success, gaining his achievements, and you feel like no, you can come cut it down because a way man have, you know what I mean? But not pray hard the man work and where man come from. No joke thing, people. See? And something else some man say them a bad man, them a gangster, them a this. They are nothing, man. Because you're a real bad man and a real gangster do certain things. No. Them not do them things there. They not go some man go do some look fool. You know what I mean? You got the jerk center now. How much money I go get at the jerk center now? A Friday, yeah. Money can make you know say a big food it the idea because when people pass through jerk center because me say the man then kill a bigger gun then a whole heap of pork sell, you know. Cause me get a link say the whole of the pork sell off, you know, and the whole of the chicken then sell off, you know, yo. You know what I mean? So what me I go rally upon the board them and a whole heap of people there at the bar and the board them eat a food today and a Friday and you know so they eat the food early so we have to go cause curfew start eat. Or no go there now. How much money we not go get? How much money we not go get? Can bust out people life. Viewers and subscribers, the tar run red and in the streets hot. No joke thing. A whole heap of thing I go on people and right now me are telling these people on a daily basis, every day news are come to NEWLINK about crime at Jamaica, killings, every day, no joke thing. Even though I don't hear NEWLINK talk about them, but there is not everything what we can talk about which we talk all the time. You know what I mean? Can't just come talk and a fluent be a kill cause. Sometimes people it's sitting in the brain, you know, to keep on talking having these pictures, seeing how much pictures. Sometimes people, most of my picture them when me sit from me look panel people dead, me can come to boom back and job at my brain cell maybe all 2 years ago and just I rewind it and I see back these pictures people and I say, yo, John, well, them you they dead and they who feel me, they get slapped out, boy, thing rough, thing tough. See the tar hot. Be careful out there. Protect your 3 points. Remember NEWLINK to that. You see the 3 points? Protect it. Be careful. Be safe. And stay away from problems. Stay away from trouble and mix up. You know what I mean? Stay away. Because me tell her, the tar hot. So you don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers, man. This is NEWLINK, you know, from NEWLINK production, people. And we say attacking the people. And just love, you know, and respect. And be good, and be great, and be safe out there, people. Protect on yourself, as I may tell you. And if you don't subscribe, please do subscribe now. And hit the bell notification. So NEWLINK drop a video, you hear ping, pop up on your phone. Follow me on Instagram. You don't know, Facebook, everywhere. NEWLINK there, you know, people. And you don't know you want to contribute to the channel, PayPal link down there, people. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So anybody wants a NEWLINK when the Kid Street? Yeah, the Kid Street is going to be next week, Saturday. Yeah, man. So Kid Street, next week, Saturday, people. You don't know. Big up, big up, big up. NEWLINK back to school. Treat, you don't know. Grateful. Peace out. Attack them. Be safe. Mouth. Bless up my people. Big up on yourself. So you see right now, people. You see all of who sign up already on Island Wide Express. Remember, big up. Attack them NEWLINK. But you see who not sign up yet? Oh my world, oh my precious. At the bottom of the barrel in the day. Because people, you say, who sign up already? Here we go on phone now. You see when you click on the thing down the sign, remember, you know, on the click say NEWLINK production and go sign up, people. There's a button over there with a platinum. Please ensure so you click that platinum button there. Because you click on the button, the people, it you know go use and get this thing. What me are telling you, say big, you know get a free £5 shipping coupon value for 30 days, people. And you can ship anything when you have £5 and you go get that every 3 months. So remember, click the platinum button. So you say who sign up already, big up yourself. And say who not sign up yet, hurry up and go do it now. Because NEWLINK signing up. Attack them. I'm out.